Hey guys, welcome back to How to Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stream Netflix on Discord with proper audio, right? So right now you can see that I am in Discord and it's very easy guys. You can just easily share your screen. For example, if I go here and if I click on share my screen and here, it should be very important that you have open Netflix over your Google Chrome or any of the browser, right? So just make sure. But if I turn it on here, the sound will not come. So how you can fix it? So basically you have to go to the setting icon, user setting, which is in bottom, right? Just click over here and here you have to go to the register games. Okay, and after going that you have to click on add it, and here you have to make sure that whichever browser where Netflix is open you have to select. For example, right now I have here Brave. So Brave is the browser which I have already added, so it will not add it. For example, let me just remove it to show you, right? So click on the add it here and just write Brave. Okay, so here option will come over, and if you're using a Google Chrome, then you will just type Google Chrome and you will get an option, right? And after selecting it, after selecting the Brave, right, and here you have to select add game and you have to turn it on. Okay, and now we will close this, and now you will get the option to share your screen through Brave, right? So just click on the stream Brave, and here your Netflix is already selected on the browser, and here you can select it, right? For example, streaming channel, that should be general. You can select your streaming quality, your resolution and all that, and you can just click on go live, right? So it's very easy guys. So you can right now you can see that my Netflix is going live here, and it's very easy. So I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, leave a comment down below. Make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next video.